Hello everyone, my name is Leander here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to check your engine oil on your car. If you guys find this helpful in any way, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Okay, so first step in checking your engine oil is popping the hood. So you guys want to come down here, mostly on every car they're down here, and just pop your hood. Maybe sometimes a lever right here, up here, just pop your hood and let's get right into it. Okay guys, second step is to make sure you have a rag. You want to make sure to have one so you can wipe the oil with, and find your dipstick. They're orange mostly, or yellow. You want to find it, it could be around here. Make sure it's not on your transmission. Sometimes there's a dipstick on your transmission. You gotta want to make sure it's on the engine. You want to start the car and make sure you run it for a minute or two just to get the engine circulating. Next step is you guys want to turn off your car, because if your car is on, it won't give you an accurate reading of the engine oil, so make sure you turn that off. So next step is you want to pull the dipstick out. So once you pull the dipstick out, you're gonna see it has some engine oil on it. You want to make sure you wipe that and reinsert into the car. So now that it's back into the car, I want to pull it back out and make sure my engine oil is full. If this can focus, as you guys can see, it's in between the two lines. The line on my right is the max, and the line on my left is the min mark. If it's in between, the engine oil is fine. As you guys can see, a little bit of a better image. The left little dot on the stick is the low, and the right is the max. You guys want to make sure it's in between or right at the max. Make sure it's not over the max, because a overfilled engine with oil it's very bad for the engine and will cause more problems than it needs to. So make sure it's in between. That is the safe mark. And engine oil is very good to check at least once a month. This ensures that you don't have a leak. Also, engine oil is very important for different types of systems. For example, VTEC and the VVTi in different vehicles and manufacturers. It helps it with little switches and solenoids in the engine. So if you don't have engine oil, it is very bad. Engine oil is for lubricating the system. So if you don't have it, it won't lubricate the systems correctly, and you could blow up your engine. So yeah guys, that's how you basically check your engine oil. I'm gonna put this picture up right here, and basically if you see that picture, that will tell you the different readings and the different meanings. Basically you don't want your engine oil to be low, because it will cause a lot of problems. So basically check it multiple times if you can. And yeah, that's the video for today. Hope you guys enjoy. If you guys could please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next.